check out this new arrival, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. My name is Jay Danberg, and I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough. This is the new 2019 215 XTS Bay Boat. It's got a stepped hull. It is power matched with a Yamaha 150. Great tackle setup. There's lots of tackle trays, 2 live wells, very comfortable leaning post. This one is ready to go with a Simrad 9-inch touchscreen. You've got 3 wide seating across the back, ample storage, stainless steel toggle switches, rod lockers, fish boxes, and also your trolling motor plug is already there for you. So beautiful boat. This one is the two-tone hull color, the white with the Carolina blue, and it is available now here. We just picked up NauticStar. We're very excited about them, and come check them out. We'd love to put one in the water, let you demo it. Thanks.